What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 2023 F-150 equipped with the 5.0. This is my truck. We're going to go do an alignment on it. My steering wheel's off just a little bit, and I want to go straighten that out because going down the road, it also is turned like that, and it's annoying me. So we are going to go into the shop, and we're going to do an alignment. So let's roll on over there. It's across the street. So we're gonna put it on the alignment rack. I bet my toe's off just a little bit because the outer portion of my right side tire, you know, on my way home and everything, it you can see where it's on the road or whatever. See where it's on the road, but you can see a little bit of the wear pattern going on. And I can tell going down the road that my steering wheel is just a little bit crooked, and if I straighten it out, it wants to go this way, to the left. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna go put it on the alignment rack, and we're going to do an alignment on it. So let's do it. And ding, ding, ding. Oh, buddy, you're pretty close to me there. Sucks because the alignment rack's way over here. I have to go across the street. See how the steering wheel's crooked? So, go around the building. And put it up on that there rack. Let's do it. Target right in front of the plates. So it's on the rack. I'm gonna go close the door and then get it all set up. So the tire wear on the other side, I'll show it to you here in just a minute. It's really annoying me going down the road. And I would really like to fix it. So that's what we're going to do now. Up, and away. And I don't know if you can see it, but on the other side over there, that looks like caution tape. That's where you stop it at. You know what? It's probably gonna help if I get my wrenches out of the truck too. I'll do that after I put it on the locks. Set it down on the locks, like that. And go get my wrenches out of the front seat. Sorry, it's fan noise. Yeah, it's a 24 and a 15 because we're adjusting the tie rod. 24 to 15. I could probably come forward just a little bit, which I think I'll do. Was that enough to matter? Probably not. But that's just a less amount of distance that I have that I'll need to push it. And I'm gonna have to change the targets. That's cool. Sorry, fan noise right next to a fan. Back this up. Turn that off so you can hear what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get the targets down now. And then after I get the targets put on there, I'll show you on the tire what I'm talking about. I know the steer head's off, and I'm pretty sure the toe is going to be out just a little bit too. So this one's going to be the red claw. Helps if I put it on the right way. Line it up. Smack it down. Not smack it, snap it. Snap it down. I probably could use the black. Probably could. Nah, way too big. We'll go with the red. We'll go with the red. And if you mess these up putting them on like in the wrong spot, it'll tell you on the machine to switch the targets around. Yes, guys, coming back from lunch over here. All right, so the targets are on. See, that'd be your steering wheel, left side. You see my tread wear on the outer? It'll be the same on this side. Steering wheel, outer one. Probably can't really see that too well, but the inside looks fine. It's just the outside. Okay, so it's set up on the rack. Now I got to push it forward until these arrows come into the green. So I'm gonna go push it. You guys want to watch the camera? Now I'm gonna turn it. Oh, I gotta release the pins. Helps if I release the pins, huh? You keep watching that. Now I'm gonna install the brake pedal depressor, pull the pins on these plates. And then I'll turn the steering wheel. So it's just a brake pedal depressor. I'm pushing the brake down with a rod, and then it goes up against the seat, holds it in place. Go all the way back to the right. Straighten the steering wheel. Now I want to make sure the steering wheel is completely straight. And then put the steering wheel holder on. To hold the steering wheel in place while I do this alignment. And I'll show you what that looks like. Come over here. Brake pedal depressor. Steering wheel holder, the steering wheel straight. This allows me to adjust the front toe. Yeah, see, my toe's off. I want to go to bar graph. So my front toe's off. So I'm going to raise the truck up a little bit. So I can get underneath it. So if this is just a toe adjustment, this is what you call a toe and go. So what I'm going to do here, adjust wing toe. Yes, my steering wheel straight. And then I come under here. And I'm going right here for the tie rod. I'm gonna crack that bad boy loose. And once I crack it loose, then I'll be able to, oh man. And, sorry, we're loose. Then I'll take my 15, and then I'm gonna turn the actual tie rod, and I'll show you what it's doing over there. So that's me turning it, so I can bring it back to where it's supposed to be. And I'm pulling it down toward the front of the truck. That's the way I'm turning it. Bring my toe back in. I'm gonna get it to 0. Or it's close to 0. And then once it's at 0, tighten this back down. Sometimes it takes a little finagling. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. Did not mean to hit you. Tight, and we're at -1. That's fine. Just straighten up. Oh, nope, we're at 0. Now I hit ready, and see, put the other side out now. Same thing. Oh man. Ugh. Put that one at 0. Oop, wrong way. Almost done. And it's hot. 0. And then my steer head. Let it settle. Now it's moving. There it is. Everything's back in the green. I'm gonna print that so you can see before and current. Come on. See my steer head off 16. Now I got it to that. So yeah, it was off. Oh, put the pins back in. These are the pins I was talking about on the turntables. Put the pins back in and back it out. Then we'll go down the roof. Backing up. Let me say we get some AC going in here. Put my seatbelt on. Go drive this down the road. Make sure everything's good to go. I am on a curve here. Oh, much better. My wrenches are clean there. Oh, much better. Much better. I like it. All right, it's done. Steering wheel straight. And you can see I printed it out. What was wrong. So my toe was positive 0.33 degrees. This one was positive 0.1 degrees. And my steer head was negative 0.16 degrees. And then after I got done, my total, up here, total toe, positive 0.34 degrees. And then when I got done, 0.10, 0.11, steer head, it's right there. And it drives straight going down the road. So I'm happy with it. Now my steering wheel's not all cockeyed like this going down the road. It was annoying the crap out of me. And I knew the toe was off. I could tell. But now that we have it fixed and all in the green, we're good to go. With that being said, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you hit the like button, the share button, the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I put out a new video. As always, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Don't forget to check the merchandise links that are down in the video. Also, the link in the description and probably in the pinned comment where there's other merchandise as well, like tools and stuff like that. Thank you for hanging out with me doing this alignment on this 23 F-150. And I will see you guys on the next one.